double slide door chest storage freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 82 inches, a depth of 33 inches, and a height 34.5 inches tall. Coming to the left and right are dual slide doors, and included are 3 dividers, one to the left, middle, and right that can be narrowed or widened to divide your products. Interior dimensions for the chest freezer, we have 76.5 inches in length, by 28 inches in depth, and a height of 24 inches. Located towards the back in the interior of the chest freezer is a LED strip. Coming to the outside of the chest freezer, we have our on-off switch along with the temperature control. Located in the back of the chest freezer will be the ETL certification along with the 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.